How to upload a video to TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section and tap on Data Saver. Here, disable Data Saver so that you can watch or upload videos at a higher resolution. Now go back to your profile and tap on the plus icon at the bottom. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll right here. Then, go to the Video section as shown. Select the video you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. Then tap on Next again. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily upload a video on TikTok.